So today we're going to be talking about is how a mentorship student got a $1,000 a month client, a $600 per month client, and a $7,000 cleanups within 22 days of working together inside of my mentorship program. So just some housewarming gifts. One, if you're watching this live, please write hashtag Team Live to let me know, and I'll be able to make this more interactive for you so you can get some more value out of it and answer some of your questions. If you're watching this on the replay, write hashtag Team Replay, and if there's a lot of people who are doing on the replay, I know that I'll just give a lot of kind of resources you guys can kind of take from afterwards. Next, if you want me to connect with you to answer some questions you might have about growing your business, write hashtag connect, and I'll be sure to reach out to you with some answers. And then finally, if you want some help growing your business and seeing if I can help you be able to go and grow your business to reach your goal without making the mistake that 90% of people fall into and stumble into when they're first getting started, go ahead and click on the link inside of the description and even the comment section below to book a call with me to see if I can help you. Now, let's get inside of this video. Now, this is one of the biggest things too. As soon as you do have that trust built, your main way that you're going to find out whether someone is ready for you to help them out is saying, hey, do you want to see if I can help you with your accounting or your bookkeeping? Now, as simple as that phrase sounds, that phrase took me 2.5 years to develop. Okay? Because I would be kind of dancing around the point, and then I would never know exactly what to say in order to kind of punch them. Hey Tommy, thanks for showing up to the live. I really appreciate you. And I would never know exactly what to say to kind of move the conversation forward. And as soon as I just asked this person at a networking event one day, I said, hey, it's been great talking to you. Who's doing your accounting or your bookkeeping? Like, do you want to see if I can do it for you? And the person's like, yeah, let's do it. And after that, I just started going on LinkedIn for every single conversation that I had that had kind of died out. Then I would restart the conversation. Then I would literally just invite them to a call to see if I can help them. And they were like, yeah, let's do it. And I was like, oh. All these people I had month-long conversations with who never asked if I can help them. As soon as I was the one who asked for what I wanted, then they moved forward really quickly. And the student who's actually the one we're talking about today, where she got the $1,000 a month client, the $600 a month client, and the $7,000 cleanup, she literally wrote me an email the first time I showed her the message sequence that we use on social media. She's like, dude, this is the game changer. Because she was like, I'd always been struggling because I'd always talk to a business owner, and then we would kind of talk about their needs, and then all of a sudden we would kind of awkwardly end the conversation. It almost feel like they wanted me to ask something, but I didn't know what to say, and I always stopped the conversation short. She literally just implemented that lie I just gave to you guys for free, which she paid a lot of money to learn that, and literally that's what she got in the next. Took her about 14 days to do it because the first 7 days. She had a really busy work schedule, so she didn't really get a chance to do a lot of the stuff that we talked about until the first 7 days, right? And it was crazy, man. It's crazy how simple this stuff is, but most people don't know how to take stuff and make it simple. It's very complex, or they have these large, long message sequences that tend to make people not actually read what you're writing, and instead turn people off. So you just need to know how to make it more simple. Now, if you understand what we're talking about, if you understand the power of simplicity when it comes to messaging and asking for what you want, put a 1 down inside of the chat below so I can know that I made that point clearly. And if there's any questions, also put that inside of the comments below so I can answer it. Even if you're watching the replay, write down one of your questions. I can either respond to it inside of the comment section or I could even make a follow-up video to explain it just for you, just to make sure that you get some value from this and you fully understand exactly what we're talking about. Hello, Shannon. Shannon said 1. Tommy says a 1. Brian says a 1. I'm seeing some 1s in the chat, so I'm super excited to see those. One thing to note, Tommy, he's someone who I keep saying inside the chat, he's really good at email marketing as well as CRM. So he has a really cool CRM program that he has that actually helps you guys manage your sales really easily. It's pretty cool. And they also have a really good support staff that allows you to be able to ask any questions that you have. So just kind of a shameless plug for Tommy's company, because he's helped me out a tremendous amount, especially with learning how to do email marketing. So super grateful that he's here inside the chat, inside the community. So let's go take you to that next level. And I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? Have a great one.